Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at while loops in JavaScript. So another type of loop in JavaScript is a while loop. And just like for loops, we use while loops when we want to repeat a certain piece of code multiple times. And the syntax is quite different from a for loop. So we're going to have while, and in parentheses we're only going to have a condition. When we were using for loops, we had an initial expression and an update expression, but in while loops we're only going to have the condition, and in parentheses we're going to have some code. Now how this works is pretty simple. Our code continues to repeat as long as the condition evaluates to true, and when our condition evaluates to false, our loop is going to break. So we're going to look at an example. So we're going to be rebuilding the program that we built using for loops, but this time we're going to be using while loops. So since we can't put initial expressions inside the parentheses, we're going to put it outside the while loop. So we're going to have, first we're going to have the n variable, which we're going to be setting equal to 5. Then we're going to have the initializing expression, which is going to be let I, and we're going to set it equal to 0. So now we can write our while loop. So we're going to say while, and in parentheses we're going to have our condition. Since we want to print out hello world 5 times, we're going to have the condition while I is less than 5. And in curly braces, we're going to put in our code, which is console.log hello, world. Now, if we were to run this code as it is right now, we're going to run into what is called an infinite loop. That is because the I variable is not getting incremented, so it's always going to be 0. So what happens is, since I, which is 0, is going to be less than 5 every time, and we're not changing I, so hello, world is going to run infinitely. So what we need to do to avoid the infinite loop is we need to increment I inside the while loop. So we're going to add the statement I++, which is going to increment I by 1 each time the loop runs. Now we can save our file and we can run it, and we get hello, world 5 times. If you want to do more exercises, you can write a program that prints the numbers from 1 to 10, but this time you're going to be using a while loop instead of a for loop, and you can put it down in the comments below. This has been a basic introduction to while loops in JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to show your support.